guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you guys are all doing well and staying safe. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I do my eyebrows and tint them at home. So the first thing I'm going to do is tweeze my eyebrows. This is how I do my eyebrows all the time. I don't let anyone touch my eyebrows. I'm scared of anyone going near my eyes. I'm going to be using this tweezer. I got this tweezer at a drugstore. I usually have more control over this kind of tweezer. So what I'm going to do is start tweezing my eyebrows. And when I tweeze my eyebrows, I always create a guide. And once I create that guide, I follow it. A lot of people don't like to tweeze because it is painful. If it is very painful and you can't deal with the pain, try using some ice and just rub it on your eyebrows and let it numb a little bit, and then go in and start tweezing. And you can always take breaks and keep icing them. I haven't done my eyebrows in about 2 weeks, so I'm just gonna go ahead and tweeze them and I'm gonna tint them for you. So here's what they look like right now. I am going to lift my eyebrow with the other hand, and I'm going to tweeze with one hand. So I'm going to tweeze with one hand, and I'm going to lift my eyebrow up with one hand. So I'm going to start right here in the corner, and I'm going to create my guide and start tweezing. You can also take a spoolie and you can brush your eyebrow upwards, so that way you can see better. Once you followed your guide, just go in and clean up everything right under it. Bottom is all clean, and now I'm gonna go in with the top. So I'm gonna do the same technique. I'm going to lift and pull it that way, and then tweeze it that way. It's less painful that way. And I'm doing the same thing. I'm creating a line and I am just following it. And then I'm just cleaning up all the extra hair right on top of it. Finish tweezing this side, I'm gonna go in with a pair of scissors and cut out any loose strands or, any long hair on my eyebrow. So I'm just gonna brush everything up. It's red, but you can go ahead, you could put some lotion, you could put ice on there. Beauty is pain. Now I'm going to go ahead and start tweezing the other side of my eyebrow. I'm going to lift and tug it that way, and then tweeze that way. I just finished the bottom part. Now I'm gonna do the top of this eyebrow. I'm going to lift and pull it that way and tweeze that way. Create a guide and follow it. Alright, so this eyebrow is done, and now I'm just gonna see if it needs any trimming. Brush it all the way up. Now I'm gonna go I'm going to tweeze them. So I'm just gonna lift right here, just like this, and I'm just gonna start tweezing. If you have any hair right here by your nose, just pull it down and just tweeze it off. I have right here, so I just pull it off. Little tiny hairs, you can't even see it, but I could see it. Now that my eyebrows are all done, I'm gonna go ahead and clean them. I'm just gonna take a little face wipe and just go over it and just clean it. I am gonna tint them. If you're gonna tint your eyebrows at home, I recommend you wait a day or two after you tweeze them, wax them, thread them, or whatever, before you even go ahead and tint them. I'm used to tinting my eyebrows right after I tweeze them. Nothing ever happened when I did this, but I recommend you wait a day or two. So I'm just gonna clean it up. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and tint my eyebrows. Well, before you even try doing this, try doing a patch test on your skin the night before, just to make sure you're not allergic to anything. Make sure you read the directions. I got this tint kit on Amazon. It's called Tint Kit for Spot Coloring. Here's the box. And it comes with a developer. And it comes with these little color pills. It also comes with this little bowl that you can mix your color in and this little brush. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix the color in. You have to mix in equal portions. Here's the color, and you just have to crack it open. It looks like this. You open it up like a pill, and I'm just gonna pour it all in the bowl. Now I'm gonna squeeze a little bit of the developer in there. I'm just gonna put enough just to coat it. So I put like this much. Now I'm gonna take the brush that it came with and I'm just gonna mix it. Mix it until it turns into a thick, dark consistency. This is what it looks like. I'm going to apply it to my eyebrows with the brush that it came with. I'm just gonna clean up the brush a little bit because there's color all over from mixing. So I have my color in here, dipped it in, and now I'm wiping the sides. Now, I am gonna go in and just start sweeping it into my eyebrows. Don't worry if you mess up, you can always go in with a Q-tip and just clean it all up. My eyebrows is gonna look really dark and crazy, but I promise you it's gonna look so good once I'm done. It's not gonna look thin like this anymore. It's gonna look a lot darker, a lot thicker, and this could last about 2 weeks. I'm gonna start with this eyebrow. I like to stretch it. So this is one eyebrow. This eyebrow isn't finished yet. This eyebrow is on. So now I'm gonna go and do the other side. Same thing, I'm gonna go in and dip my brush at the tip, and then I'm just gonna sweep it on the sides. And then I am going to start, now I'm gonna pull my eyebrow this way and just sweep it in. Now it's okay if you messed up. You can go in with a Q-tip and just clean it all up. The tint is on my eye right now. I'm gonna wait 3 minutes and then I'm gonna take a towel and wipe this off. The longer you keep this tint on, the darker it's gonna be. I don't like my eyebrows being too dark, so I'm gonna leave it on for about 2 minutes. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just clean this off. Once it's done, it looks so good. I'm gonna go in with a towel and some warm water, and I'm just gonna clean it all off. Side. Alright, so my eyebrows are all done. This is what it looks like. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up for this video if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.